In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made about $1,420 on this nice trade where we caught about 1 to 11 risk reward ratio. Forecast entry, trade management, everything else. All right. So make sure you watch to the very end as I show you everything step by step. And remember, I made this money in literally just 2 hours of trading. All right. So make sure you watch to the very end as I show you everything. Okay. So let me just show you what was happening right here. This trade was actually forecasted right here in our mentorship community where I was looking to actually take a buy right here. You can see that at this particular point, the market had given us a nice drop based rally with multiple break off structures to the upside, leaving behind a nice POI right here. And then apart from that, the market also gave us nice liquidity right here, which was taken out. Basically, I just wanted the market to come into my area right here and then to look for potential buying opportunities. Okay, so I actually made a video on this particular trade right here. I'm going to actually let this video play so that you can actually see what happened before all this happened right here. So watch the video. Let me show you exactly what I'm looking at right now. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, let's check what is happening right there. Overall, we are seeing GBPUSD pushing to the upside. Therefore, we are looking for buying opportunities right now. Okay, so let's go to the 1-hour time frame. We zoom out there. Right now, we're looking for possible bullish order blocks, right? So you can see that we don't really have anything right here apart from all the way down here. But I know this is too much of a pullback for us to expect a buy. So the nearest zone I'm able to notice right here is this low right here. So I had to get this low and that high right there. Okay, so we continue to go to the downside. Let's see what is happening on the downside right here. So you can see that this was a very nice level, but you're going to realize that this was kind of taken out by this big candle right there that caused that pullback. So it means that you can see this was a nice order block right here, a drop based rally, but you can see that the market dropped somewhere here, invalidating this order block right there. It means that this order block is the one that was responsible for this move to the upside right here. So if you go to the 5 minutes time frame, let's see, we can clearly see that this was actually the one. So let's get this to right here, and then we get this to the upside like that. So you can see that the order block, this order block right here was in the premium, and you can see that the market literally tapped into this area before going to the upside. It means that this level here has been invalidated. Therefore, we have to look for the second one. And remember, this is the one that caused this break of structure. And then apart from that, what's the next one? This is the next one. The one that caused this break of structure was this right there. So you can see that this is a very nice order block, but this order block will be like 10, but like let me see. So this is the next order block right there. So you get a high and a low of that order block, and then this order block will be like how many pips? Let me see, about 5 pips, which is okay. But looking at our target, if we say we get this, it will be like a 1 to, if you check that, it will be like a 1 to 4. Yeah, about a 1 to 4 risk reward ratio, which is pretty small. Okay, so because of that, I went to the lower time frame, to the 1 minute time frame, and spotted the last order block right here. And yeah, we spotted this order block right here on the 1 minute time frame. This one right here. Okay, the high and the low, which will be like 3 pips, almost half of that. So if I can delete this, so that's the last order block right there. So this is the one I chose, because you can see that right now, this looking at price is already in the zone, and we're still during the Asian session right now. So the way price is moving, we might even touch this on before the Asian session, which is a bad thing, because most of the times when this happens during the Asian session, it means that there's a very high chance the market might actually manipulate that and actually take us out. So this is exactly what I'm looking at right now. So this is a nice drop base in the rally with break of structure here and break of structure here. Liquidity here, equal lows have been taken out by this Asian move, and you can see that the market is already in our Asian session right now. And yeah, this is what is happening right now. I'd have preferred this price not coming into our area during this Asian session. However, it looks like the market is going to actually touch our zone before everything. So if you had considered the first zone right here, the market would have already been triggered, would have triggered you already. So for now, what I would like to see is to see some type of reaction in this zone, or a change of character. If the change of character happens within my zone right here, then I would actually consider buying and targeting this high right here, making this a 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. So right now, we're just going to wait for a change of character in this order block right here. If that happens, I'll be willing to take it. If that doesn't happen, then I'll just stay away.
All right, so that's my thought process on this GBPUSD. It looks really nice. Overall trend is to the upside, and yeah, it looks really, really solid. Let's see what happens right here, and I'll be able to update you guys.
All right. So once the market now came to our area right here, this is where I was able to execute this trade with a 3 pip stop loss and a 29 pips target right here, making it a 1 to 11 risk reward ratio. And this was shared in our private community right here. And then guess what? The market decided to move in our direction with beautiful momentum. At this particular point, we had to go break even because the market had broken the structure above right here. So we're able to run break even, and this trade was running risk free. Soon after that, guess what? The market continued to push with great momentum to the upside. And at this particular point, we had secured about 3 hour moving our stop loss right here. And then just a few minutes later, we saw the market going all the way to our take profit. And this is what happened. It went all the way to our take profit and actually bypassed our take profit, going out with a 1 to 11 risk to reward ratio. It was an absolutely amazing trade. We just followed our rules, executed, and at the end of the day, we were paid because this market ended up going all the way to our take profit, right? Let me show you what was happening on the main chart, right? So if you go to the 2 hour time frame, let's zoom out and actually see where the market is going. So you can see even on the 2 hour time frame that the market is literally pushing to the upside. Therefore, my thesis was to just look for buying opportunities right here. So if you drop to the 30 minutes time frame, let's see what happens there. So you can see that by the time I was looking at the market, we only had this lowest low and the highest high. Because of that, I I looked at this, I was like, okay, what do we have here? We have this zone right here and this zone right there. And the market was somewhere around this level right there. So I was like, okay, now let's look at price and see, determine whether we're going to look for buying opportunities or selling opportunities. So obviously, the market was going to the upside. We had to go for buying opportunities, right? And you can see that right here, there was this nice level right here, but I couldn't actually buy from here. Why? Because this market had already been triggered, right? So if you get your fib levels and get from the low to the high, you're going to realize that this was already in the premium zone and this market had already retraced and touched this area, rendering this level right here invalid because it was already mitigated. So basically, I had to go on to actually look for the fresh zone which has not been touched yet. So if you go now to the 5 minutes time frame, you'll be able to appreciate this even more. So you can see that the next level that actually caused the break of structure was this level right here. So the market ended up going drop base rally, broke this structure, broke that structure right there, and then also left us with nice liquidity right here. So once the market came, took out the liquidity, then the market at this particular point it didn't quite touch my area, and I was like, okay, maybe the market won't pull back. After some time, I saw the market pulling back into my area. And once I saw that, I was like, okay, game over because the market is now in my zone. Everything has been validated now. If we have a confirmation, we'll be able to execute. And exactly right here, once the market came here, we saw the market now start to push in our direction, and we entered. We managed the trade beautifully, and our target was literally just this high right here. As you can see, it's exactly 1 to 11 risk reward ratio. And this trade ended up going way past our target. And just after that, we saw the market dropping. And the good part about it is that we exited this particular trade with a nice 1 to 11 risk reward ratio, securing myself about $1,400 right here. It was an absolutely amazing trade. And what did we do? We just followed our strategy step by step. Like I've already shown you, everything was documented, no guesswork from the forecast. It just shows you that this is a skill that can be learned over time through practice. And once you see your setup, you execute your setup every time because you know that at the end of the day, no one knows what's going to happen in the market. It's all about executing and having the confidence that as long as the market gives you your setup, you just keep on executing. At the end of the day, you'll be profitable, and that's all we did. We just kept on executing, and right now we are massively profitable. This week has been amazing to say the least. This trade this week Absolutely amazing. And if you're not in our community, you've missed out big time. You've missed out big time. And right now, there's still a promotion going on where you just pay $100 to get lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals instead of you paying 250 US dollars, which is the usual amount. And very soon, the price will go to the usual, which is 250. So make sure you take advantage of it if you've not done that already. All right. So that's what I would actually share this beautiful, beautiful trade that we took today. And it's my hope that you found value. And if you have, make sure you watch other content that we've actually produced. We have a number of videos that are valuable that you can actually learn a lot for free. So check them out. All right, you guys. Until next time, goodbye.